is going to cost 3,000% more than XRP. It is very important for people who are interested in XRP or who already have XRP tokens to keep up with the latest news. Find out about the latest XRP news and how it might affect the value of the coin. I'll answer these questions and give you important information that could have a good effect on XRP prices in today's video. I did a lot of study for this video, so make sure you watch it all the way through to get the most out of it. Before we talk about our first topic, let's look at the chart and see how XRP did on April 20th. It's easy to join our daily giveaway of 50 XRP. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment with the hash XRP is king. Good luck. Today, the price of XRP is $0.51. $1.4 billion worth of it has been traded in 24 hours. The price of XRP has gone up 3.1% in the last 24 hours and down 5.9% in the last week. There are 100 billion XRP coins in circulation, with 48 billion already in circulation. Remember that these prices may have changed by the time you watch this movie. This is not financial advice, and putting money into the crypto market is risky, so please do your own study before putting money into it. Let's watch the movie. As the Ripple vs. SEC case is likely to go to the Supreme Court, the future of XRP is uncertain. The fight between Ripple and the SEC in the US may go all the way to the Supreme Court. Someone who used to be in charge of the SEC's crypto unit has said that the court battle between the two sides over how to classify crypto assets is likely to go all the way to the Supreme Court. A Supreme Court showdown is coming up. The case over XRP is about to go all the way to the Supreme Court. This is Ladin Stewart's view. He used to be in charge of the Securities and Exchange Commission's crypto assets and cyber unit and is now helping to bring charges against the cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase. While on a panel at Columbia Business School, Stewart said that the SEC sees the buying and selling of tokens as stocks, but not the assets that they are based on, according to the top lawyer for the SEC, Cam. In the case between the government and a company in San Francisco, apparently Ripple is going to the Supreme Court to ask them to answer some very important questions about what makes a cryptocurrency a security. Stewart thought that then there would be a clear answer to that question. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, has said that the company would love the chance to take its case against the SEC to the Supreme Court, saying, "We are in it till the end." Is Ripple on top? Even though Ripple won a big case against the SEC in July 2023, the government is still fining the company a huge $2 billion. The SEC is also likely to challenge the July decision by Judge Anna Sartoris, who said that selling XRP automatically to individual investors did not qualify as securities. The SEC dropped all charges against Garlinghouse and Ripple's CEO in October of last year. Chris Larsson giving the blockchain payments company another big win. As a whole, it seems like the SEC is under a lot of pressure now that Ripple has won two big court cases. Also, Ripple has a good chance of winning if the case goes all the way to the Supreme Court. Stuart Alderati, Ripple's chief legal officer, pointed out in November that the Supreme Court has decided against the securities regulator many times in the past few years. The outcome of the XRP case could have effects on the whole crypto space. If the courts rule in Ripple's favor, it would be a major example for other crypto assets, which would quickly lead to more innovations and market growth. Notably, if the case goes in the right direction, XRP will go through a rapid price increase. It has been in a slump since the lawsuit was filed 3 years ago. Many people who follow cryptocurrencies think that XRP's price could go even higher than its current all-time high of $3.40 as soon as possible if Ripple won the case in the end. Please help the station by giving this video a like and subscribing. Also, don't forget to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Let's watch the rest of the video right away. Analysts say that XRP could go up by 1,000% to 3,000%. Even though the market has been down recently, top experts are still optimistic about the future of XRP. Expecting a big rise in prices. Agrag is one of these analysts. He thinks the price will go up by 1,000% to 3,000%. Expert Agrag's thoughts in a post on X earlier this month. Agrag talked about how XRP could reach $0.44 for the worst case. He called it the door to Valhalla below $0.44 for. This prediction came true last week, which supports the analyst's current positive view. His most recent prediction is for a minimum 1,000% rise, which could push XRP above $5 in the near future. The analyst's higher limit is even more impressive, as a 3,000% rise would push XRP close to $15. Long-term bullish outlook, Agrag thinks that the price of XRP will rise even more in a general bull market. The expert showed a graph that showed XRP could be worth between $10 and $22, based on past trends to make this bullish prediction. Agrag isn't the only one who feels this way. Analysts like Dark Defender think that the recent price action of XRP is not an accident. He compares it to having a deja vu that takes us back to 2017 when the cryptocurrency market went through big changes. Based on the chart the analyst showed, he thinks the price will go up to $5.80, ate the short run. Others, including Javan Marks, think there could be a huge 61,000% rise, with prices going as high as $288. Things that could affect Ripple's price. There are a number of things that affect the price of Ripple's XRP. The current sexy lawsuit against Ripple is still very important. If the case is settled in a good way, the value of the cryptocurrency is likely to go up a lot. A positive result could take away the risk and boost investor confidence in XRP. At the same time, more financial companies like Triangle are using XRP, which shows that it can be used for real-world purposes like making cross-border payments. More people using XRP could mean that people are confident in its speed and ability to grow, which could lead to even more demand. The future of XRP could also be affected by changes in world laws. It might be more appealing to investors and institutions if regulations were clear in big markets. Things to think about. As much as analyst predictions are often good, it's important to keep in mind that they are just guesses. The cryptocurrency market is known for being very unstable, so investors should look at all the information they can find and decide how much risk they are willing to take before they join. Also in today's news, these key signs point to a possible XRP rally. For people who use XRP, the current court case between Ripple Labs and the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, has been very important. As it looks like the case is almost over, crypto market watchers like popular YouTuber Mickle are looking at the XRP price to see if there are any signs of a move coming soon, consolidation, clear rules, and examples from the past. Mickle's most recent study found that XRP trading followed a major consolidation trend. This pattern, which usually means that the price of an asset is about to change, is likely to reach a turning point around the result of the SEC. The Ripple lawsuit clear regulations have had an effect on the price of XRP in the past. The decision made by Judge Analyst Torres in July 2023 caused a huge increase in investor demand, which caused the price of the cryptocurrency to rise significantly. A look at Bollinger Bands and how strong XRP is against Bitcoin. Mickle points out that the Bollinger Bands on the XRP weekly chart show a tight squeeze in addition to the price pattern. There are often times of a lot of volatility after this technical signal. In the past, similar squeezes happened before rallies of sizes in 2017 and 2020. XRP also seems to be entering a price range that has regularly shown big increases in its value compared to Bitcoin. Over the past 10 years, this trend has been seen more than once. The effects of the big picture economy and how investors feel about things market watcher Mickle also looks at the big picture economy when he makes his decision. The reserve's high interest rates, which are meant to stop growth, have put pressure on the crypto market. Mickle, on the other hand, says that economic pressures, such as big losers from high rates, might force the Fed to change its mind and start lowering interest rates. This change is expected to make it easier for assets to take risks, including cryptocurrencies like XRP. It's important to note that a good outcome in the SEC's case against Ripple could greatly improve investor confidence in the entire cryptocurrency market. Finally, the convergence of a number of indicators, such as the Bollinger Band squeeze and the past performance of XRP against Bitcoin. We want to make it clear that this is not a service that is meant to give specific financial advice. We don't want you to put money into any business. As the name suggests, this is just a channel that brings you educational material. Watch out for scams. We will never ask you for money on WhatsApp or any other app. Do not click on any comments or emails that say they are from our station. Please report all con artists and fakes. To YouTube, we'll see you next time at the best crypto news site. Say goodbye. Crypto Ledger.